I'm going to talk about diffusion. Diffusion is the movement of particles from an area of high concentration to an area of low concentration down a concentration gradient. The concentration gradient is the difference in concentration of molecules between 2 points. That's the concentration gradient. As diffusion is taking place between 2 points, it continues to take place until the particles are equally distributed. When those particles that are involved in diffusion are equally distributed, we say that an equilibrium is reached. And the most important thing that you're supposed to know is that for diffusion to occur, there must be a difference in concentration of particles between 2 points. I hope on the definition of diffusion is clear. Then the other thing that you're supposed to know on diffusion is the factors that affect diffusion. Some factors that affect diffusion, you have temperature, size of particles, and the concentration gradient. So I'll start with the first one: how temperature affects the rate of diffusion. As you increase temperature, the rate of diffusion also increases. Then as you reduce temperature, the rate of diffusion also reduces. I come to the next one: how the size of the particles affect the rate of diffusion. The size of the particles can either be small or large. When the small particles are involved in diffusion, we discover that the rate of diffusion will increase. This because the small particles, they move at a greater speed or at a faster rate. Then when you use large particles, you discover that the rate of diffusion will reduce because those large particles, they move at a slow motion. Then how the concentration gradient affects the rate of diffusion is when you increase the concentration gradient, you also increase the rate of diffusion. But when you reduce the concentration gradient, you are also reducing the rate of diffusion. Then the other thing that you're supposed to know on diffusion is the importance of diffusion in plants, or the law of diffusion in plants. The law of diffusion in plants is that diffusion helps plants to transport the manufactured food that are produced in the leaves to all parts of the plant. Then the other importance of the diffusion to the plants that diffusion helps to move the gases in and out of the leaf during the process of photosynthesis. Then the other importance of diffusion in the plants that diffusion helps the plants to uptake the mineral salts from the soil using their roots. Then the other thing that you're supposed to know on diffusion is the importance of diffusion in animals. The importance of diffusion in animals are as follows. One, diffusion helps to exchange carbon dioxide and oxygen on the surface of the alveoli or the air sac. Then the other importance of diffusion to the animals is that hormones that are produced by the endocrine glands, they're transported in the bloodstream through the process of diffusion. Then the other importance of diffusion in in animals is that diffusion helps to absorb the minerals. Diffusion helps to absorb the nutrients from the alimentary canal into the bloodstream. That's all about diffusion. Thank you very much.